Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful evening. We're going to have a great trading day today. Today's show is going to be pretty special. The markets are crashing. A lot of people are worried. I have solutions. A lot of smart traders in my room doing really smart things that people should be aware of and, know that this is out there. The NASDAQ is pressing into new lows. So is the S&P. And we're going to discuss all that and these evaluations for the funding today. So without any further ado, check out the disclaimer. Let's head over to the chat room and the main screen and see what's going on with the markets. Alrighty, so sharing this screen over here, which is my Discord. Oh, look, it's going through 50, guys. It just went to 50.01. SQQ just went to 50.01. I told you it was pressing 50 right here. Look at this little bar, FULOL bar right there saying, dude, look at this. This is from 7 a.m. and went from 49.40, cruising up right up to 50. It's at 50 right now. Let me just get a clip of it. Oh, Moj. We'll get to second clips going through 50. It's 49.99 right now. Just count 2 minutes and 20 seconds and it'll go through 50. Look, guys, $50 Heinz, dude. Look at that, right? Going through. Be careful. I told you up here. Look, I said really be careful. Right here. SQQ is pressing into 50. It wants it. That was at 8:26 a.m. It was 49.80. No, I said, dude, it's going to go up in there, and it did. Look, 90, 95, 98, 98, 99, 50 bucks. Printed 50.01. It just dropped 10 cents. Very volatile up and down day. I also picked this stock. Where was it? No, that was yesterday. So these let's see what the gainers are this morning in the chat room. So you just go /gainers, enter, and it'll show you what the gainers are. Not too many of them. Getty. Let's see what the actives are. This is in Discord. StockBot's a bot. Apple, AMD, Tesla. Tesla's up $1.14. Yeah, let's see what's really hot. Those stocks aren't really hot. Let's head over to the main screen. Let's check out the Dash Trader Pro and the Ninja platform. Dash Trader Pro is all of that, and this is the Ninja platform, where I have a couple of evaluations going on for the futures. Now, talk a little bit about that this morning, because you guys, and a little bit of trading. I'm up $120 right now. You could see it right there, $120 where my mouse is. So, guys, let me talk to you a little bit about the futures. Now, there are these companies. Oh, it's at 50 again. Look at that, going through 50. Heinz and 50, guys. See that, Paul? All right, so I'm going to let my guys, you're going to be able to hear them talk. Set that up. It's at $50, man, going through right now. Look, $50, 50.01, 50.02. Can you believe it? Right on my tie. I knew it was going to Heinz 50. It's like a stock at $4.95. It's going to go to $5, no matter how, if it came from $4.40, no matter how much you think it's up. It's going to do that. Congratulations to all the people on Twitter and social media that listen to my UVXY pick. Nice work. Nice work. I'm going to take one trade here. Watch. I'm going to go bid. One lot of the futures. I'm out at 50.04. We ride it down. No, I'm going to add at 50.04 and 05 and out at 07 because it'll go to 10. And see if I want the reverse under 50. Let's see what it does. Here's 50.04, 50.05. So I got my 3, and now if it reverses, I got my play. If it doesn't, I'm out. So right here, I'm up $20. Let's take one off the table. There's 50.01, $50. Perfect mojo. Great trade live. I'm up 20 bucks. I'm going to take another one off the table. Take that one off. So I have one left. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to go to $2. I'm going to put in this MIT order so I can walk away. Either I'm making $2 or I can let this thing dump and I could just let it go. See that? I don't have to touch it right now. I'm either going to make $2 or actually what I should do is should I close this trade? If it goes to 04, I'll close it. I want it to dump under 50. It's got to go 01. There we go. Oh, come on. 01. See, this is live trading. Go on there. Up. 01, not 02. I'm out. All right, I'm at 136 now. Now it'll probably dump 10. There you go, exactly, right? Now it does. As soon as I'm out, it knows, look, 10-cent drop. Oh my goodness gracious. See, that's what I wrote this morning too to that guy Eric on Twitter. See, you can't watch the prop. You got to just let it. You can't, your emotion, but I want to take that profit. I want to take that profit. And there's guys out there like, Patrick, that's doing these evaluations like with Top Step. He made like $3,000 yesterday. For longevity, you can't do that with these evaluations and make thousands of dollars, because if you lose $1,000 or $1,500, you're done. They cut you off and you lose the account. So to make $3,000, number one, in the evaluation, you can't even use all that profit anyway, because you can only use 20% of your daily profit. So if you made $5,000, you can only use $1,000 of that. Or if you made $3,000, you can only use $600 of that. You can only use 80% or something like that. You can't use the whole number. So it's not worth it on the evaluations going for big numbers, man, and showing how much you could make trading for the day. You have a goal, a number, you hit it, you're done. I don't use Top Step. I use this company called Apex Trading. And what they do is, see how I made $136? Look. I had 10 accounts. Now I only have 7. I messed up actually 3 of them, but there we go. I have 137, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts. It copied it across 7 accounts. So instead of making 136, I've made $1,000 for a Friday. And if the account grows at $100 a day, that's around 20. This would be around $20,000 a month, $120 a day across 7 to 10 accounts. Look, it's 50-10 now. Look at it rise. See that? That's what I was afraid of on that first trade. It should pop up. It goes 11. It's going to pop. It's a tricky zone right here. We go 12. Should go to 19 now. I'm going to wait a second. Actually, I'm going to play it right here for the move back under 50. See, if I would have not taken the profit on that last one, I would have lost. Instead, I made a nice profit because, 2 out of 10 keep on going and you're like, damn, I should have had that. But 8 out of 10 go the other way. Good morning, Mr. Long. Look at this $50.15 on see, I took 3, so I'll break out on 2. I'll break even on 1 and hold the other 2. Watch. Goes on to 10. Watch. 10. There we go. 10. 14, 13. Every time this moves down, this moves up. This moves higher, it gets loss. I'm watching it according to this SQQ. That's how I'm gauging this trade. 12. 11. This is about my limit. It's weak up here. I'm going to take one more. Here we go. Taking $9 break even on this one lot right here and holding. Oh, went to 17. I was about to break even. See that? Very jumpity. I can't get filled on that lot down there. $16. There's where I want to get filled right there. Now I'll close it if it goes up into the 20s. Come on, dump under 15 and we got a little roll down. Here we go. These are micro lots. Here we go, under 15. Watch. 16, right back to 20. See how it jumped 10 cents? Damn. Let me cut it right here. Cutting it. I'll retrade it. Come on under 20. Adding. So you just got to be careful, that's all. 18. All right, so yeah, and that's $20 copying it across those 7 accounts. I'm looking for the reversal back down under 50. I'll take some along the way. $50.20. It's over 50. I said this morning, I'm going to be over $50. It's over $50. My patience is key with trading. What's up, Mr. Josh? Good morning. Here we go. Little dump. Under 20. There we go. Up 30. Dump. Man, it doesn't want to dump. Come on, dump. There we go. 18, 17, up $60. Told you. Up 13, up $80. Told you. Patience, man. You got to go a little red first to go big green. There we go. 12. Taking another one off. Came all the way back to 22. That was a nice one, though, boys. So now I'll hold one lot and trade with this one lot. Wants to go under 50. Taking another lot right there. See the big number right here on the left at 13? It's going under that. See the number at 13? The 131? That's where it's going. So I told you right there. See him? 13. Right there. It's going under 13. See, I knew before where it's going. So this way you're able to say, hey, I could take the trade. I know which way it's going to go before it goes there. And it's like magic. Right? There he is. He's sitting there. 135. I take another lot. He's sitting right going under 14. Because they're rebate trading. They're rebate trading. They're getting filled on the bids. And they're getting filled on the asks with large size. See, he's sitting there, the 135 at 14, waiting for it to go right under that. That's going to go to 10. And if this goes lower, you're going to get a green bar on NQ, the NASDAQ. Like I'm trading, I have 2 lots long. I'm going to cover one. You're right back in the 20s. See, when it dips red, you tap it one. When it goes the other way, you take some profits. You know, it's a little like opposite of what people do. But hey, look how successful it's working for me, right? Amazing, huh? There we go. 13 went right to that signal. I told you. 12. I knew it a couple of minutes beforehand, right? Amazing, huh? Went right back to 22. It's really volatile. Put one in right up there. So when it goes there, this time I'll get filled. (9:04 a.m.) Good morning. What's up, Katie? In the Mojo room. Mr. Hopper in the Mojo room. Veteran. Oh, look, it's a 25. Son of a gun. Big size at 25. Going to roll right through that to 27. I don't like it here. I'm going to just take some profit tours and get out. 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 Setting it at break even right here for $2. Out. Still at $100 for the day. Yeah, all that for really not a lot. Little movement back. I play very cautiously. See how I play? Everybody's very easy to make a profit. Very easy to make a profit. But I cover myself for the loss. The profits happen, no problem. Got to be patient. 24 is going to rip through 25. Size right there, 25. How much time? 9:05 a.m. There's 24. He's sitting there, 350 at 25. See him? He moved. I'm in. No, he's back. I thought he moved. He's still there. Should have waited a second, Mojo. It's okay. They're only micros. See, back to 25. Told you. There's 25. 26. Went right through it. I told you. Now they're getting filled on the... See, that's all rebate trading. All rebates. What's QQQ? 286. And that QQQ is going to Heinz, and it's going to go lower. I'm going in. Another lot. Told you. QQQ 287.03. Just Heinz. It's going lower. 286.97. You see it? QQQ right here. Looking for the pull up and go through Heinz 287. It's going to pull SQQ the other way. Watch. Going under 20. Watch. Come on now. 93 on QQQ. Big size at 22. Getting filled at 22. There's 21. I told you. 17. Told you, Mojo. Told you. Look at this trade. 07. 07. Nobody knows and trades better than Mojo. Going under 50. Under 50, Mojo. Done for the day right here. Yes, sir. Pop up a little bit. I'm going to take one more right here. Taking one more for the under 50. That was a great trade. Here it goes again. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got that reversal there, man, on that dump.
You did?
Jumped right in at the bottom of that SQQQ wick.
Nice.
Played it back.
Back in right here at 20.
Oh, it should have held longer, but hey.
No, look, it's right back to 20. What are you talking about, dude? It came right back. Look at that.
Yeah.
I'm back in for another one. Right here in 19-20 range. Why not? Who wants to dump under 50? I'm going to keep on just clipping a little bit of profits. I get to 200. I'm done for the day. Because that's across. That's my 1500, 2 grand. Look at this. 11, 10, 9. Look at that. Oh, that was a nice one, boys. See that? How I watch, I know what's going to happen. That's what I teach in my futures course. Anybody could do this futures trading with me. You don't need your own money. You don't need your own savings. It's trading the firm's capital. You go through this evaluation where you make $3,000 on a $50,000 account, and they give you a real $50,000 account to trade with. Yes, sir.
And if you catch one of those specials, you get it for like 35 bucks on special days, or you take the MOJO coupon at any other time. I think what is it, like 80, 85, something like that?
Look, it's right back up in the 20s. See how it came back up again? It's a big side.
You can't beat a risk reward for that. To be able to put down 85 bucks, you get yourself 50K account, you good.
Yeah. Look, I'm going to put an MIT in at 250. I'm out. Took it. I'm at 133. Not bad. One of the accounts is open. 117. Got it.
Yeah, Moj, one thing I did discover the other day.
Hold on one second. Let me just make sure.
Oh, go ahead.
That I can hear you.
Look through your account.
No. Go ahead, talk.
I found out one reason why sometimes orders get open and left open.
Hold on one second. Let me just make
sure. If you have an order open to sell or buy,
go ahead, talk.
And then you click close, I found out it has the potential to close and hit that order at the same time. It does create a double order on the side.
Yeah, it does. It works. I was picking up your voice on the live stream. So wait, say that one more time because it mumbled when I was doing that.
If you have an order open, say you're going long, and you put an order to cover, but then you're not sure if it's going to hit, and you hit close. Sometimes the order can blow through, and it'll trigger the close and the order, and it'll put you one in the opposite direction.
Gotcha.
I've come across it twice.
Yeah, that happened just now then.
Yeah, I think that happened when you hit close, and so it closed you out, and it hit that order at the same time. So then it opens you up one on the opposite direction.
Nice, buddy. See how good my room is, guys, with my traders? Coming on in and trade with the Moj. Yeah, Friday up 138. Oh, look at the dump now. 11, 10, 9, 2. Should have stayed in that one up at 20. If it goes up, then do it again. I know it's going to, wants to maybe hold 50. We'll see. Goes under 50. It should dump nicely. 40. This is the Uncle Adam play. It's the Uncle Adam play. I need to get in one here. It's going to go under 50. I know it. I just know it. Big size at 08, 09. I'm taking one. I just know it. I just have to. I know it. When you know it, you know it. Told you 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Look at the squeezing. Look, 5, 4, 3. Look at the squeezing. 2. 96% chance it's going to happen. 97% chance it's going to happen. 97%. Took one more. 07. 06. Oh, back to 10. You sucker. Come on now. Five, 4, 3. Taking one off. I'll do the other one if it goes back to 10. QQQ 287.27. See how it hinds and held very nicely? Size at 04, 105. See him? He's going to get filled right there at 04. Go to 5, 4. There's 5, 4. Took the one off the table. Come on, dump now. Doubles, triple signal. 05 and 04 going lower. Come on. Good morning, Mr. Infinity. People watch charts. I don't need to. I know which way it's going. By watching the size and the level too. There's 03. 97% chance, 98% chance at 02 it's going to go. Come on. If I get out of it, it'll go through. Watch. What am I up to? 1. Oh, I'm only in one for $5.50. It didn't copy trade it because I'm in the wrong account. Son of a gun. Look at that. Oh, Moj. Don't you hate that, Paul? I was in the wrong copy trade account. Isn't that crazy, dude?
Yeah, been there.
Yeah, back in though. I got one at 13.
Nice.
Yeah. There's 09. It didn't do it in. Yeah, it did. Yeah, you could see how it copies it. It's back to 17, 18. $17, $16, $15, $14. I'll hold one, taking them off the table. Just don't like it up here, but I'll play it. $14, dump down under 10. High is 26, so I really don't like it here.
Yeah,
I'm out. I'm out right there. See, it's just too strong right in this. It's not a good range. But yeah, that's how it works. And the futures trading, let's go over to the Mojo room. This is the copy trader. It's the same thing. It's just a reveal on my end. I want to show. Let me just show you a screenshot of it. Okay, so this is how it works. Oh, 14. You have the leader account right here, and you put that one in, and then you click all these green buttons for the other accounts to follow them. So you place one trade, and then it copies it across all of them. And instead of making $130 for the day, you make $130 across all your accounts. Came down under 14. And there's a link below in the description for Apex and joining the Mojo room and doing all that, guys. If anybody has any questions, definitely let me know. And there's the disclaimer. Check that baby out. Yes, sir. Time is at 9:18. Got 12 more minutes to the open. Got some guys should be cruising on into the room for the Mojo room. Let's head over there and see what we got. 50.07 looks like it's going lower. 50.06. What's going on, Mr. Hopper? Paul, Mr. Infinity. Cool. 50.04. Let's head back. Looks like it's going on to 50. 50.03. 50.02. Of course I'm going to miss it. When I'm not in it, watch, it's going to go into 50. It's going to drop like, look at the size at 50. It's going to drop like a freaking rock. I can't believe it. I'm not in it. Ugh. Disgusting. Definitely catching this next little rise up. I'm in. It's going on to 50. Taking one or two more. There's 50. Hitting it. Told you, Moj. Told you. Do I know what I'm talking about or what? Look at that. Arrgh. Rattling that 50. Told you. I just don't like it. If I'm not in it, it dumps nickels. But when I'm in it, look right back up. Ugh, look at that. $287.30 on us on QQQ. I'm going to remove this screen right here. And going to go to my Mojo Day Trading room and get ready with my team to do some really good trading for the day. So you saw how I do everything. Links are below in my description. Message me. Let me know you want to trade with me. I'll get you all set up. But until then, guys, you know what I got to say? Peace. I like saying peace. See if we go into 50 before I leave. Oh, look. Look, we're going on to 50. I got one little chomper to go on to 50 before we leave. 50.01. 50. Come on, Mojo. Under 50. Under 50. There's 50. Come on, Mojo. Hey, 99. I did it. I did it. New record for the day. 98, 97. Yes, sir. Come on. All right, I'm out. $145.50. 164, 145, 145, 150, 150, 150. That's how we rock and roll for the day, boys. Anybody wants to learn how to do that? You do not need, listen carefully. Listen, you do not need any capital. The firm gives you the capital. You do not need to risk your own money. You don't need to risk your own savings. You don't need to risk anything but your time to prove after you watch my course and trade with me that you can do what I'm doing here. You do that for a half a month. You make 7% on your account, and they give you a real account, and you don't lose 7%. So there you go. I'll help you all along the way. Links below in the description. Check it out. Do it. Speak to you. Have a great weekend. Peace. Pro Trader Mike Laird.